Hello everybody, welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. Today we're making this delicious cornbread with my go-to recipe. It is as easy as counting 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Make sure to click more below the title to see the written recipe. Alright, preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease an 8x8 or similar size baking dish with cooking spray or butter. Now we just simply add all ingredients together in order from top to bottom of the ingredients list. Again, you can find the written recipe in the description by clicking more twice below the title of the video. Simply mix on medium speed for about 45 seconds. I like to manually mix them up just a bit before running the machine to prevent splashing. Scrape the sides, stir up, then pour in the baking dish a few times to pop large bubbles. Now we bake until toothpick test comes out clean. Start to check after 18 minutes. Bake a couple more minutes if needed. Should not be longer than 23 minutes unless our ovens are significantly different. Nice and clean, perfect. Beautiful. Now we can serve immediately or let it cool down just a bit. And that's how we make this deliciously moist, slightly sweet cornbread the easiest way. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. Let me know if you have any question. It means a lot to me if I can get a like and comment from you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.